If you're trying to rank your local business higher on Google Maps, keep watching. Here are 3 local SEO Google Maps tips and tricks to help you rank your local business higher on Google Maps. The first tip is to go into the Google My Business profile page and edit the hours of your business. Go onto this page, click this box here, and make sure to update the hours accurately so it reflects exactly when you open and close. Once you're done, click Save. And now here's a bonus. Since it's around the holidays, what you want to do is you want to add special hours. So these are going to be hours for holidays that are upcoming. So what you want to do is click special hours. As you can see, Veterans Day is coming up, and then Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Christmas Eve, and Christmas. So what you want to do is click on one of these. So for example, Thanksgiving, we'll click review, and then make sure to update these. Now, when you update these hours, it reflects on Google Maps and pretty much throughout the entire Google platform that your business is open from this hour to that hour. And it's going to say that it's confirmed by the business that that's your opening and closing time. All right, so the second tip is to add services. So as you can see, go into your edit profile and then also go into edit services. And once you click into that, you'll see a page where you can edit and add your services. Now that I've clicked that, you can see we can add our services to this page. So here's our primary category, add service, and you can list pretty much anything you want in this, but make sure it pertains to your business, as once you click save here afterwards, Google will review it and make sure it is accurate and that it follows the guidelines and rules. So just add all the services that your business has to offer and make sure to include keywords in there as well. And while you're on this page already, make sure that the primary category here listed for your business is accurate, because if it's not, you're going to be losing out on a lot of business, as well as your rankings are going to decrease because it's going to be inaccurate. So make sure that your primary category for your business is correct. And to do that, just go into your edit profile page and then go into business category. And here you can see the primary category is chiropractor and everything else are subcategories, but make sure obviously to replace it with your primary category and then additional categories. And you can find a whole list of categories here on this page. So as you can see, there are so many categories here. Literally, I mean, we're only in B here. So as you can see, make sure what you pick is accurate and add some other categories that pertain to your business as well as additional categories. And if you watch one of my earlier TikTok videos, you'll see that we go over some of these categories as well, and basically how to find them and which one to pick for your primary business or your primary category. So definitely watch that if you haven't. Now, the third tip is to add offers for your business. So let's go into add update here, and then we'll go to add offer. Once we click add offer, you'll see offer title, start date, and end date. Now you can also add photos here, which I highly suggest. Make sure the photos that you add in here are geotagged in the EXIF data, and then also add keywords in those photos that you add or that you want to upload as well. And so once you've done that, make sure to add the correct offer title, start date, and end date. And also for these photos, if you want more information on how to basically geotag these photos as well as add keywords to them, leave a comment and I will show you, or I'll create another video and show you how to do that. But what you want to do is fill these out, and then you can add a ton of details here. And another pro tip is to link to this offer from your website. So make a page or a post on your website with the same offer and whatnot, and then you can cross-link those or link to each other from each of those sources or pages. So that's a pro tip, and I can also make another video for that if you want. Just leave a comment below and let me know. After you're done filling all these out, click preview to preview your post, or click post. Now obviously don't post it unless you have your offer ready or unless you're ready to run it, and obviously select the start date and the end date and make sure everything's accurate in here as well. Now remember, SEO takes time, so be patient. It also takes a lot of hard work. So everything you do to update your business or post on your profile or make these optimizations and whatnot to your business profile and your website, those are small steps towards doing better and ranking higher on Google or Google Maps. And I do run a full service SEO agency. So if you're looking to rank your business higher on Google or Google Maps, please send me a DM. My goal is so that you can get more customers and clients and generate more revenue for your business. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.